Casey Lindalo of the 2021 Ram. Bought exhaust manifolds, both sides, from BD. They were put in about 2.5, 3 months ago. I'm going to start this cold so you can hear it. I don't know what you guys actually need for a video. Can't really get in there. Seems to be the driver's side. Much worse sounding than for the reason I had them replaced in the first place. Driver's side, passenger side. You can hear lifters and